We're just walking around Lonavala, having a chilled out day today because everyone is tired from 9 hours of riding yesterday. Lots of these chicky places. Chicky's like some sort of a brittle.
Hey, let's get a picture of this.
I'm getting a picture, mate. Colin, I'm getting a picture.
My new bike back to England. I'm going to take this back to England, I think. Yeah.
Chicky and fudge, but their fudge here seems to be running. I can't work out whether it's because it's so hot and it's just melting. Everyone is so lovely though. Take great pride in their tuk-tuks. That one's good. Look, that one might even have AC.
Look, Ferrari 302.
Sweet. The Ferrari of tuk-tuks. We're just going to have a little stroll down to the market and then we're going to get a tuk-tuk to some caves. The caves are only 30 minutes away, but on the tuk-tuk it's like £2. Such a nice place. There's Shane looking at getting his hair cut. Shane going to get a crossfade. I'll have a little walk down here. Get out of the cauldron. I'm going down to the market.
Fantastic.
Colin's just weighing himself. He thinks he's lost weight.
How are you? Good.
Everyone just wants to chat. He's in his prime. This is like a boxing weigh-in. Come on, give us a pose.
Black t-shirt makes you slimmer, definitely. That was a good buy.
Thank you, mate.
He's in his prime. And that has been calibrated as well. It's a lot busier in this bit. Really bustling. But I made it to the market. Look at all those bikes actually. Everyone's parked their bikes up. It might be going on the train to be fair.
5 kilos.
Right behind me, it's going to run me over.
Hi everyone. How you doing? I'm Colin. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you all.
Very sociable. He's in his element. Just going into the market. Hello. No, I'm good, thank you.
Okay.
Where's the market? Where's the market?
The market again, left turn.
There, left turn.
Yeah.
Thank you. Down there, left turn. I thought this was it. This must be parking for the train station. This lady's selling crabs. These are actually land crabs. We kept seeing them in the middle of the road. And then they just go into a hole in the ground. They come out during monsoon season and then I guess they get bought and sold when it's out of monsoon season. Not today though. Found the market. Shane, you coming in?
Huh?
You're coming into the market.
How are you? Did you pay to enter?
Pay to enter? How much? No. Absolutely. Jerk. Hello. Very lovely flowers.
Mind if I take a photo?
It smells really nice in here. Those are fresh veg. I do miss fresh veg from back home. It's very interesting. And I guess this must then go to the cows.
Normally do that.
Yeah, it makes sense.
We're not in the market for veg today though.
I was going to do one.
These flowers, they put them on their bikes and cars for good luck. Would like to get some actually, put it on our bikes. Mmm. Delicious. I think it's got parsley in there as well, which I love.
James, do you have these?
Get Rolexes down there. Drink. This man's going to sell me a coconut, 60 rupees. Yeah, I'll have one. I'll have one coconut.
60.
Can I record you?
Huh?
Can I record?
Thank you.
We'll buy one. Yes.
I have two. Do you want one, Colin? Do you want one?
No, I'm alright, thanks.
Sash, do you want a coconut?
No, I'll drink.
Do you want one, Colin?
You drinking it? Or?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice story.
Two, please. Can we have 2 coconuts, please?
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah.
You drink it?
Free.
Oh, one is straw.
Free.
3 pieces. Okay, okay, sir.
Free coconuts, 60. £1.80. £5 in M&S.
Thank you. Lovely, lovely, lovely,
Very nice,
chopply.
very nice.
Lovely, chopply.
Where's it? England team very good.
Lovely, chopply.
This one we have to put up with on the intercom. Oh,
Very nice. England team very good.
very good.
Very nice.
Come see this man if you come to Lonavala. Buy his coconuts. Those good coconuts.
Very nice.
Very good. Sash?
Oh, thank you, sir. Lovely night, everyone, mate.
Very good for electrolytes.
Very good for the electrolytes.
Very nice.
That's different from Coca-Cola I get from the supermarket. Free, yeah?
Wow. That skill.
That's for
You know
free,
that-
yeah?
Okay.
Thank you. Cheers, buddy.
I would have got that. I was getting that. Cheers, mate. Delicious.
Oh,
Yum. It's like I'm on a
Lovely.
beach in Thailand, Bangkok.
This is so good for you.
It's good. My t-shirt, when I took it off the last 2 days, it's like been white, like from all my sweat. Just a nice Mickey Mouse mark there,
Thank you.
there and there.
Lovely.
Thank you.
On my
Very
vital
nice.
parts.
Lovely, very good.
Thank you.
Lovely. Come see this man. Good coconuts.
Very nice. Thank you. Good day.
This guy's been very good to us.
Very nice.
We called him the Coconut King. He's got the best coconuts in town. He just wants a selfie. Not with me, with Shane.
David,
He didn't even have a coconut. Photo bomb. Photo bomb. Yeah. Hey, selfie.
Thank you.
They're so smiley. Lovely people.
Next time come back. Very good.
Cheers, man.
Thank you. Bye-bye, sir. Bye-bye.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank
Bye-bye.
you.
Cheers.
Thank you.
Seems to be mainly fruit and veg. I think there's another bit with clothes. And I could do with some new t-shirts. I only bought 2 t-shirts and this top, which I wear in the evenings. But this is even getting sweated out. Such a good way of life. We're having a day off the bikes today. We're mainly chilling out, walking around, looking at the markets, and then we just jumped in 2 tuk-tuks.
take us to the falls. The wrong one, isn't it?
The port? Oh, yeah, wrong one. Karla Caves.
Karla Caves. Very nice caves.
Huh?
He's trying to get us to go to the other caves.
Karla Caves.
Yeah.
Another Bhaja Caves.
No, just Karla Caves.
Karla Caves.
Karla Caves.
He's taking us to the wrong caves, mate.
Karla Caves. Jump in, jump in. Could end up anywhere. See you guys. We're just going up to Karla Caves. It's quite spiritual. It's quite spiritual, isn't it?
Very spiritual. Look at that thing, huh?
We're just making the trip up. Just bought these Ray-Bons, £1. Whoa, so many steps. Oh, that is steep. We've been walking up steps for about,
You do a cave a day?
yeah. Try and find some on the side of the road.
I might ask that geezer if he knows where's any steeper stuff. Love your dress.
Colin's making friends.
Oh, I've got to give them 1,000, I think.
Colin's making friends everywhere he goes.
Close your legs.
We're going for it.
No.
We're going for it.
Okay.
push.
Tight sweat. Oh, this bit's shaded. That was one sweaty. We've got to go and get a ticket, but on the way up there's loads of stalls selling these things. It's like a coconut of flowers that you give as an offering. We're here now. Hey, thumbs up! Thumbs up! Go on my YouTube. They're happy to be recorded here. No GDPR at all. Get a photo. They want their family in the photo. What's up? What's up? No GDPR. They want to be in it now. Peace. Thank you. Lovely people. We're here for the caves though. This is a temple. And there are the caves over there. We've got entries. We're going to go have a little walk around. But we are covered in sweat. That was intense. Like 20 minutes of walking up 45-degree steps. That's not an easy life. We've only got 1 hour on the Tuk Tuk, so it's taken us 25 minutes to walk up.
Where are you?
From London. Where are you from?
There.
Where?
Here only.
Here, nice, yeah. Lonavala.
Yes.
Very good. Nice to meet you. Thank you. Thanks. Accelerate, moto. Looks very good here. We're going in. I think you have to take your shoes off. They want me in their photo. This is what happens everywhere here. They just like call you over and they say one photo.
You like football? If you're a football team.
Hey man, we're sweaty.
I'm a Chelsea fan.
I'm Indian.
Who?
I'm Indian.
Oh, are you? Oh. I thought you were English. You got your hand on my bum.
Thanks. Thank you, bro. Thank you.
Thank you. No worries, mate. No worries, boys.
Thank you. Karla Caves.
Yoga.
Very, very impressive. Thousands of years old, I believe. There's some bees' nests up there making the honey. So impressive. Carvings, how do they get those carvings? Hopefully it'll be cooler in there. And we're here now inside the caves. Very, very impressive structure.
This is the cave.
That looks like a wooden arch. Very, very impressive. This is a few thousand years old in here, and you look at some of the carvings up there and all of them are different. It's really, really impressive. Plus, you've got to bear in mind it's at the top of a massive hill, so how they got up here before the steps were built. Just amazing. We're going to go into the temple bit next. Just queuing up with our offerings. It's amazing, we're going in and then the monks are going to give us our dots.
I don't know very well. I'm sure I'll wait.
It's amazing, we've been accepted in now.
What does this mean? Good luck.
I've still got this stuff left. Not 100% sure what to do with it.
You can eat it.
Is it?
What do we do with our tray?
You can eat it.
What do we do with the tray?
The tray.
You have to return the tray.
To where we
from
bought
where you got it.
Colin, that's yours. You've got to take that then.
No,
you just keep that.
No, Colin.
Return the tray.
Thank you.
From where you guys are?
London, England.
Oh,
Yeah.
all of you?
Yeah, he's Irish. Irish.
This is just it's just sugar candy. Sugar candy.
Okay, but you're.
They have given, but this is blessed.
And we've come back out. Wait,
maybe a good luck, yeah?
and we haven't gone in. We've come back out.
No.
They want 1,000. We're just coming back down now.
Does anyone like one of these? My trick.
We eventually plucked up the courage to go back down the steps before heading back to our hotel. Just in here, eating some Indian Dominoes. I've got a paneer one, so it's still authentically Indian. We need a break from the curry. We've got this Pepsi Black. Never had one of these. I think it's Pepsi Max. Max taste, 0 sugar. This is proper Indian Domino's pizza.
A bit of oregano.
Chicken tikka.
Yeah.
This is nice. This is a paneer paratha pizza. Stuffed with cheese. Crispy. Lonavala had some very good food options. It was also a really cool place just to walk around and explore. It's located near lots of historic sites, so makes for a great base. Later on this night, we revisited the barbershop from earlier on in the day and we found out what Shane had been negotiating.
It looks really good, mate.
No moustache.
Are you still alive?
Hey, Shane.